How many animals at the zoo? We're at the zoo today. What animals can you see? Look at the pandas. How many pandas can you see? 3. Look at the koalas. How many koalas can you see? 7. Look at the giraffes. How many giraffes can you see? 4. Look at the monkeys. How many monkeys can you see? 10. Look at the penguins. How many penguins can you see? 6. Look at the snakes. How many snakes can you see? 8. Look at the crocodiles. How many crocodiles can you see? 5. What animals can you see at the zoo? The end. Thanks for watching. Bye.